Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science with Python. First, you'll want to build a strong foundation in Python programming. This means understanding core concepts like variables, loops, and functions. Next, familiarize yourself with crucial libraries such as NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for efficient data handling. Dedicate at least 100 hours to practicing these foundational skills with small, manageable datasets to truly grasp the basics before moving forward. Once your Python foundation is solid, the next step involves mastering data analysis and visualization. You'll learn how to clean and preprocess raw data, which often takes up to 80% of a data scientist's time. Understanding basic statistics is key to interpreting your findings accurately. Then, use powerful libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to create compelling charts and graphs, transforming complex data into easily understandable visual stories for your audience. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of machine learning. Begin by understanding core algorithms, such as linear regression for predictions and decision trees for classification tasks. It's crucial to learn how to evaluate your models using metrics like accuracy and precision to ensure they perform well. You'll implement these models efficiently using scikit-learn, a versatile Python library that simplifies complex machine learning tasks, making your journey smoother. Finally, to truly excel, explore advanced topics like deep learning with frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, or delve into natural language processing. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by working on real-world projects. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 substantial projects to build a robust portfolio. Remember, data science is an evolving field, so commit to continuous learning and staying current with new tools and methodologies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.